Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device which you don't use in this particular moment, you can close them all, and this will eventually speed up the work of your device. And all of these opened apps, they will drain your battery faster. So what you have to do in this situation when you have a lot of opened apps, you can just open this recent section, and here you have this button, close all. And after that, all of the apps will be closed, and this will speed up the work of your device for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.